From the dawn of time, humans have sought the hidden essence within nature's bounty. Ancient hands once crushed wild grapes, while Roman lever presses squeezed the life from the harvest with massive wooden beams. By the 19th century, heavy cast-iron citrus juicers brought the power of mechanics to the family kitchen. The 1950s introduced loud, high-speed centrifugal blades that tore through fruit with violent force. But speed came at a cost: friction, heat, and the rapid separation of vital nutrients. Our understanding evolved. We realized that true wellness requires a gentler touch to preserve every living enzyme and vitamin. Engineering turned toward the past to inspire the future, mimicking the slow, powerful chewing motion of human teeth. Slow-motion captures of pure, cold-pressed drops falling into a glass signify a return to nature. Sun-drenched orchards offer their crisp apples and ripe oranges, waiting to surrender their nutrients in their purest form. Nature now meets the cutting edge of industrial perfection. The factory gates open to reveal a world of high-performance resins like Ultem and Tritan, shimmering in the light. Crimson coils of pure copper wait on their racks as the machines hum to life, marking the beginning of a modern masterpiece of health and technology. Thin layers of silicone steel are stamped from magnetic rolls, then stacked by robots to form the stator and rotor. Automated needles wind pure copper wire with blinding speed, a blur of motion creating the motor's soul. Once coated in heat-resistant varnish and baked to a rock-hard finish, the core is ready to drive the mission. Balanced rotors are fitted onto high-precision shafts, leading us to the machine's greatest secret, the reduction gearbox. Here, CNC machines carve planetary gears to micron-level accuracy. This complex mechanical dance transforms high-speed rotation into massive crushing torque. It is the silent strength that allows the machine to pulverize even the hardest roots without breaking a sweat. The science of silence is proven in soundproof chambers, where sound waves remain smooth and quiet. After 30 minutes of continuous operation, cooling fans maintain the motor's integrity. Every unit faces a high-voltage safety test within its heat-resistant casing, ensuring that power always remains under total control for the user's peace of mind. Completed motors are organized into trays, ready for their journey to the final assembly line. An engineer performs a final tactile check, feeling the latent power within the heavy metal. As the technical labels are applied, the transition begins toward the specialized workshops, where the crushing and filtration components are born. Amber-colored Ultem resin, a medical-grade material of legendary strength, is heated to 300 degrees. High-pressure molds release the spiral auger, a component as hard as stone with sharp, precise edges. A quick robotic trim ensures perfection, while a 1-meter drop test proves this core will never crack under the pressure of daily use. The strainer begins as a thin sheet of food-grade stainless steel. Photo etching, or laser technology, carves thousands of microscopic 0.3 millimeter holes with absolute uniformity. Under a microscope, we see a world of perfect circles, free of any burrs. These sheets are then rolled and laser welded into their final high-performance shapes. Using overmolding technology, liquid resin flows around the stainless mesh to create a rigid, unified frame. Soft, food-grade silicone wipers are then fitted into their spinning cages. As the machine runs, these flexible blades constantly sweep the mesh clean, ensuring a continuous flow of juice and preventing the buildup of fibrous residue from every glass. Crystal clear Tritan chambers are polished to a mirror finish, fitted with smart caps to prevent a single drip of waste. Wide feeding tubes are designed with safety flaps, keeping human hands far away from the crushing zone. This thoughtful architecture allows whole fruits to be dropped directly into the path of the powerful rotating auger. Every part that touches your food is deep cleaned and sterilized, carrying the promise of being completely BPA-free. These shimmering plastic and steel components are now gathered under the factory lights. They represent the perfect balance of medical-grade hygiene and industrial durability, ready to be joined with the powerful motor base below. The main body travels down the conveyor, where the motor and gearbox are secured onto vibration-damping mounts. Control boards and three-way switches are wired with meticulous care and secured with durable ties. Every connection is a bridge between the user's touch and the machine's raw power, built to respond instantly to every command. After the external shells are polished and closed, the juicing assembly is fitted into place. The auger slides into the center of the strainer with a satisfying click. A gentle twist aligns the motor coupling, locking the entire system into a unified engine of health. This precise fit is the key to achieving the maximum extraction from every fruit. Magnetic safety sensors ensure the motor only wakes up when every part is perfectly locked. Custom-fit juice and pulp collectors are added, alongside specialized cleaning brushes and beautifully printed recipe guides. Every machine is nestled into its protective foam and vibrant carton, then sealed with a final stamp of quality, ready to bring nature's best to your kitchen. In our QC labs, machines face brutal endurance trials, crushing hard carrots for hours on end. Bone-dry pulp emerges from the waste outlet, proving that every possible drop of juice has been extracted. Even fibrous celery cannot stop the machine, as the smart reverse function effortlessly clears any jam to keep the healthy flow moving without interruption. Operating at a mere whisper, our slow squeezing technology yields 30% more juice than traditional methods. Microscopic views reveal intact enzymes and vibrant colors that remain fresh far longer. A young family shares a bright morning ritual, enjoying the pure, natural sweetness that only cold-pressed engineering can provide for their health. Looking ahead, AI will soon analyze your nutrition, while these machines travel the world in global shipping containers. We conclude with a single pure drop falling into a glass, a silent promise of life and wellness. Health is the ultimate luxury, and every drop of our juice is a step toward a vibrant and sustainable future.